Hi everyone, this is Steve from the Sync365 team again, back on my virtual machine. This time we're going to look at Windows Restore feature. If you are a Mac user, it comes in with the Mac tutorial because Windows has a separate piece of software for the complexity of it. It's a nice little feature. You can get it from, if you was to click on your little folder here and you go to your portal, and we click on account settings, applications, software download, and we can install it from there. You click and download, it'll install, and basically it will be on your, where are we? It should have installed. There we go. Sync365 Restore, so we'll click on that. This launches there, so basically it's asking you to log in to your system. So I'm going to select our demo one. And what this means is everything, do apologise. Okay, so it's connected in. It's now looking at our, let's make this larger for you. It's now looking at our backup set. So what this is you would use the restore feature if you're running a server, a computer, whatever. You've deleted something. So I'm running my backup. There's all my backup, whatever. As you can see, I'm not running anything at the moment, but I think we've got some stuff on there, as you can see. I've deleted a folder and I just want to quickly restore. Or maybe you've just gone out and bought yourself a brand new laptop or a new PC or a new Mac, and you just want to restore everything that you've got in your Sync365 backup. So it's completely open. As you can see down here, we've got quite a few computers lining up, so we can drag that up if we need to, so we can see them all. Or if we don't want it, we could just drag them all the way down and we can just click on each. So we're just going to have a quick look. I think this was something I was backing up, I'm not sure. So I'm clicking on Stephen's PC, which is my virtual machine, and this is what it's seeing within the backup. So there we go, it knows that that's all on my backup. I was backing up everything, and I can just click on a document if I've got anything backed up there. Not sure. No, not much going on there. Let's see if I've got anything backed up at all. Right. Oh, there we go. We could even restore from the Dropbox that we were testing. Let's just see. So, okay. I wanted to try and sort of demo it a bit better for you than, because we've got some nice little features in this. We could just click on a file. We can either right click and restore. We can view other versions. So it's got no previous versions. Other versions means, let's say I was working on a Word document, for example. Could be Excel, could be Publisher, could be anything really. And I make several changes. So I'm working on that document, I click and save, and then on the next day I come in, I open that document, I make some changes, click and save, and then I come in the following day, make some changes. That would revert as revisions. So what that means is that document will now have 3 revisions because I've edited that document and added or removed content from that document 3 times. So what that would appear here, it would show you 3 different revisions of that file. And I could restore any one of those revisions. I could restore, well, I don't want to restore the latest one. I really cocked up on that. Deleted load of stuff. So I'm going to restore revision 2. And that's what you can do. Really nice feature. We also have a backup delete utility. If you watch the web tutorial, you will know that there is a backup option. A recycle bin option, which you can access. So if I go into backup, for example, under here we can show deleted files, so we do keep things safe. So even if you delete it, we've got your back, don't worry. You can even see hidden files if you need to, and that's what basically you can do within the restore software. We've got a restore view and we've got a show deleted items view, so you could even restore something you've deleted. It is that good. So that's basically it. So we can restore an individual file, and it's telling me it wants to restore to the current location, okay, which it knows is there, as you can see. we could say, well, this is a brand new computer. If it's a brand new computer and you've not set it up how your old computer was, this may be greyed out, okay, because it won't find the original location. This one will be selected for you. You can still select this one anyway. This one will be selected. And you could actually say, well, I don't want to restore it to the location because I've now got a new drive, a D drive, and I want to browse to that drive, and I want to select wherever I want to restore that file to. You could restore it to your folder if you've just upgraded your backup to folder. You could restore it to there if you wanted to. But you can choose where you want to restore that folder to, and you can just click restore. The file you wish to restore already exists. Are you sure to want to? Yep, why not? And there, that is how fast it is. If you wanted to, you don't want to do individual files, we could just select the actual folder itself. We could restore the whole folder. Now you can see we've got some more options. So, because we're restoring quite a lot of information, well, 4 folders, we now get some options. You can say, if there's a conflict, ask me what to do. So you can choose what you want to do. If you want to go off and make a cup of tea and you don't really care, you can select some of these options. Just overwrite if the folder is old or whatever. If a general error occurs, ask me what to do. Again, if you're going off to make a cup of tea or coffee, whatever, ignore the error. I'll come back to it later. And we can select a nice little report when complete. And you can restore the whole folder. You can restore, you could do multiple restores all the way down, you know, right from the top. So we're going to restore all of that. So it'll be, and it's nice and quick. You just sit back and relax, and when you come back, everything that you've got that was on your old computer is now on your new computer, but running a lot smoother and a lot faster. That is Windows Restore for Sync365. It's a really nice utility. A lot of businesses are starting to use the backup for Sync365 because it's so cheap and it is so good and so very secure. So I hope it's been knowledgeable for you. As always, if you have any issues, please let us know at helpdesk.sync365.co.uk. Enjoy it and have fun.